Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. SwiftUI online grocery user app inside. Today we need to create here the right review UI need to develop as well as need to modify here the order item row and to showing this here the buttons and to click to open this here the writer review screens. Now first of all need to find out here the view and find out here the account folders inside to create here the new files and to give this here the name right uh, right review view like this creates. And now one by one we need to create. First of all we need to declare here the one environment variables, and we need to set here the slash dot present mode, set here the where mode colon binding, we need to set here present mode like this sets here. And after need to also needs here the another text fields for the storing here message, and another things we need to setting here rating state where rating 0.5 1 5.0 like this sets here. Set here by integers need to needs here, that's why I need to set here like these variables are the needs here. Now we need to develop here the state stack, and we need to first of all set here the navigation titles as a blank, and also navigations bar heights need to set here the true, navigations back button hide, and also ignore safe area need to write down here like this. Inside we need to create first of all here the app bars we need to develop here. Then after need to create here the scroll view. First of all now declares here the space and to show this here the UI with canvas. Now declaring here horizontal stack like here. Now need to create here the button actions. Inside to give this here the more dot wrap value dot dismiss for these back buttons, and now need to write down here the image and to give this here the image as a back image need to set here resizables. Then after need to set this here the scale to fit, and also need to set here the frame with 20 by height 20 like this configures. Then after need to set this here the space, again set here the space. After need to set this here the message writer review, and now need to set here the font custom font set here the font as a bold 20 like this configures. Then after need to set this here the frame height, you need to give this here 26 like these configurations are the needs here. Also need to configure here padding as a top. First of all need to set here the top inset. Then after need to set this here the padding horizontal 20. Then after need to set this here the shadow color, need to set here color opacity 0, and radius need to do this here the 2 like this configures. Of course need to set here the background color right sets here and look like this here the showing this UI. And also we need to configure here the space already given here, that's why it's showing like this. Now we need to develop here the UI or scroll view. Declares here the scroll view. Inside declares here the stack and set here the spacing 15, and also need to configure this here the top insets need to set here. First of all the set here the padding as 20, then after another padding dot tops top inset plus we need to set here the 16s, and also need to create here. Now first of all the buttons of the submit titles need to set here the submit and click events like this setting here. Then after we need to create here the rating bars. We need to develop here, create here the horizontal stack, set here the spacing as 15, and now need to write down here the for each loop. Data we need to give this here the fix here 1 to 5, set here the id dot colon dot slash dot self, and do this here the index. Indexing like this we need to write down here. Then after we need to set this here the image of the system name, and need to set this here the star dot fill, set here the resizables scale to fit, and to set here the foreground colors orange. And after we need to set this here the frame width, we need to give this here the width percentage of the 0.1, and alignments no needs need to in here. Set here the one dots like this fix here, and to showing like this here the, and also need to set here the tab event, tab gestures, and need to set here the pt, set here the text. Now you need to set here the colors. If indexed smaller than rating equal to and rating, then to set here the orange colors, otherwise you need to set here the color gray, black dot, opacity set here 0. Now need to change here 3 and look like this show. Click here, change this here. Like this ratings are the configures rating UI, and also need to configures. Now need to develop here the text area. Now first of all need to create here the Z stack, and to give this here the alignment as a leading like this sets here. Now we need to set here the text editing editors dot text, need to set here the txt message multi lines, need to set here alignments as a need to set here the leading. Then after need to set here the on appearance, so need to needs here the cleans, otherwise need to on init here's on it and to write down here's on appearance UI text view dot appearance need to call this here the background colors dot clear colors. Now need to set here the stat and to set here the placeholder with this here the text fields. If txt message equal to blank and to show this here the placeholders need to write down here the writer review here, otherwise set here the blank like this sets here. Now need to set here the padding as a 8, then after need to configure here the foreground color dot placeholder and to set here the space. Now need to decorations of this text area, need to decors, set first of all the padding as you need to set here the 15, then after need to set here the frame, give this here the minimum height, need to set here the 300, then after need to set this here the background colors black with opacity 0.05 like this configures, and need to set here the corner radius, set here the 10, and need to give this here the some padding. Set here 15 like this. Need to show this here the WriteAReview UI, and also need to modify inside the my order details, and need to find out here the my orders details UI here no, because need to get this here the errors because not passed any access token, that's why to like this here the error showing here. Now we need to this order item inside we need to create here the one buttons. Before creating these buttons we need to develop adds here the some value inside these models, need to given here first of all the rating, set here the integer 0 where message as a set here the string like this is. Now we need to first of all the convert self dots to write down here the rating, and need to give this here the value for t and to pass this here the rating. Now need to scroll down and to write down here the ratings as need to pass here the double not zero, and need to write down same as. Now need to set here self dot message equal to need to set here the value for this and to set here the string value. Set here the message like this. Need to configurations are the needs Also, same as need to modify for the products, models, and outside here, and to give this here the average rating. Here the integers, this here integer is set here 0. Now you need to copy these codes and to paste here. Now need to change here. Like this, we need to change are the needs and to change AVG rate. So now need to save here, and now need to go inside the UI. My product details. Share this here the definition. And need to write down here the stack. Now need to create here our ground buttons. Set here the titles. With this here the writer. Review. Like sets here buttons. Click events. Also need to configure this here the where date tab. Set this here blank callback. Like this configures here, so need to read here. Give this here the events here, need to like this, need to set here. Now also need to set here the conditions. If order is completed, set here order status. Show review. Use this actions. Show and to show the right action. Now need to scroll up and to find out here order details and need to set actions. Need to first of all the set here detail model order status and the object dot rating equal to 0, and to show this here the button, otherwise not show these buttons, and also need to write down here the tab event right here. Now we also need to create here the background. Inside creates here the navigation link destinations. Need to set here WriteAReview UI and set here the labels empty, and also need to set here the one flag is active also need to declare here state show write review. By default to set this here the false. Now need to copy and to set this here the flag. Set it to use this here this flag. $show. Like these configurations are the needs, and to configure now need to run this app and to test this here this UI. Now app is run done. Now need to go account sections, my orders inside, and now to select this here the deliver orders, and to show this here the write a review buttons, and to write here like this. We need to showing this here the UI and black back buttons. If you open here the cancel, not show here the write a review buttons. Like this configurations, two conditions are the setting here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.